Before the continent was called Australia, around 300,000 Aboriginal people lived there. They originated from tribes that left Africa 75,000 years ago. There used to be 300 Aboriginal languages spoken, but only 75 now remain. They would fish and hunt for food using spears and hunting boomerangs. The Aboriginals used to live in semi-nomadic societies, meaning they would move from place to place, and they would settle in certain areas and build shelters. The discovery of Australia by the Europeans took place in 1788, when James Cook first stepped ashore on the east coast.
They colonized the land and settled on the entire territory. That's when the war between the Aborigines and the settlers started. The Aboriginal used to be discriminated by the Europeans. They would ransom them, they would hit them, and sometimes harm them. In that period, children got taken away from their home for so-called reasons of resocialization and child protection. That's why it's called the Stolen Generation. Ever since 1998, Australians have celebrated the National Sorry Day, which was implemented by the government to apologize for all the maltreatment they received. Even though the government attitude has changed, there are still high rates of discrimination in Australia towards Aborigines, and they now only represent 3% of the population in the land.